Hey everybody, John with HillCo here, and I want to introduce you to our economy uncapping tank. This is a great uncapping tank option for hobbyists, new beginner beekeepers who are just getting started extracting honey, need a fairly economical process for uncapping your honey. This tank is a great option to start with. So how it works is you take your frame, which of course is capped and has full of honey. It sets on this sharp pin here, so be careful by that pin is sharp. Don't go poking yourself on that. It kind of sets on that pin just to help hold the frame in place so it doesn't slide around. You use your knife, hot knife or cold knife, you uncap your honey. The cappings fall off into this screen tray here, and then that falls through there. So your cappings land in this screen tray, and then the honey drains off and falls into the tub below here. You have your honey gate where you can drain that honey off. Really simple, really nice setup, a durable setup. So it comes with a nice little scraper spatula deal here for cleaning it up or for scraping off here. Just really simple, really handy setup, and economically priced out, a great option for a newer beekeeper. So in this video, I want to real quick show you how it goes together. I'm going to unbox a brand new one in the box, show you quickly how it goes together so you know what to do. Alright, so here's how it's going to come. In a box like this. I'll cut it open here. You're going to have in the box your honey gate, a little bag of hardware, again that scraper, and then your stainless steel top bar. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull this tray on the top here. Now we just have our open tub with the hole for the honey gate. I'm going to take the honey gate out of the bag and install that. This little nut threads out of the back here by hand. I install the honey gate in like this. There's a little drip edge here thing where it's designed for the honey to drip off. So we want that facing down, so our lever here will be to the right. I'm going to put this little nut from the inside, pointed out like this, and I'm going to thread the gate. I'm on the inside here. I'm turning this nut on the inside of the tank, and I'm threading that on. And to get it good and tight, I'm going to actually use the gate itself to do the final tightening. So I've got it where it's pretty straight there, and not 100% straight, but you can kind of fiddle with that and get it straight. That looks pretty straight. It's a nice tight fit. You won't have honey leak it out. Now, we put our tray back in here. The tray has holes right here on each side, and those holes line up with these holes right here, which is how we're going to mount our stainless steel crossbar, which holds everything together. I'm going to cut this open real quick. Slide it out of there, and this also has holes in it. So we're going to put that on here and line it up with these holes that I just told you about on the tray and on the tank. Now we're going to take our hardware bag. Our hardware bag has two knobs, these black plastic knobs, and then it has two of these little L-shaped bolts, and then there's a little nut and this pin that the frame rests on. So the first thing we want to do is put this pin on. So the pin's going to go on the top like this, right in that center hole right here. And then I'm going to put the nut, this little bitty nut, which is probably hard to see. I'm going to put it on the bottom here and thread it onto the bottom of that pin. And I have my 7mm socket here ready, or wrench, or crescent wrench, whatever you want to use. I'm just going to tighten that up. Okay, it's nice and tight and ready to go. Now, I'm going to set the bar on here. I'm going to take my little L-shaped bolts and put them up through, so the threaded end is going to be up pointing upward. I'm putting it through the tank. You got to get it all lined up. Takes a little bit of finagling around, but you get that L-bolt up through like that, and then your bar goes over top of it. I wasn't prepared like I should have been here. sneak the knob out of the little bag there and then thread it on. I'm not going to tighten that completely up because I need a little bit of flexibility to get the other one put on. So I'm going to do the same exact thing. Again, this L-shaped bolt goes up underneath like this, through the holes in both the tank and the upper tray, and then through the crossbar. It's a little bit of wiggling sometimes. And once again, I'm not prepared, but there's my knob, okay. And thread him on there, and then just get both of them threaded down nice and snug. And that's it. Throw my trash away here. And my uncapping tank, you probably should wash it out real quick to get a little bit of dirt or dust out of it, but your uncapping tray is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.